Hello everyone, welcome back to iThinkData. I am Vaibhav Chavan and I welcome you all to my channel. Today I am thrilled to introduce you to one of the most powerful tools for the data visualization and the business intelligence, that is Power BI. Have you ever had data that you wanted to analyze but didn't know where to start? Or maybe you have heard of Power BI but don't know what it does or how to use it. Well, you are in the right place. So, what exactly is Power BI? In a nutshell, it's a business intelligence and data visualization tool developed by Microsoft. But what does that mean for you? Think of Power BI as a toolkit that takes raw data like the sales numbers, website analytics, customer feedbacks, and transforms it into the interactive visuals and the insights. Imagine going from numbers and tables to charts and the dashboards. That actually makes the sense. Power BI lets you tell stories with your data. Instead of shifting through the endless spreadsheets, you can see the patterns, trends, and outliers all in one place. Alright, so why should you consider using Power BI over other tools? I'm going to break down some of its biggest strengths. Data connectivity. One of the best things about Power BI is how easily it connects to the different data sources. From Excel sheets on your computer to the SQL databases, cloud platforms, and even the online data sources, Power BI brings it all together. So, no matter where your data lives, Power BI can pull it into one place. Let's say you have sales data in Excel, customer data in the database, and the social media metrics from an online source. So, Power BI can combine all of these in a single dashboard, giving you a complete picture. Next up is the data transformation. Power BI has a feature called Power Query. It's like a mini data cleaning wizard built right into the tool. You can filter out certain data, merge the tables, add the calculations, and many more without writing the complicated codes. Power Query is perfect if your data needs a little reading before analysis. It's quick, it's easy, and make the data preparation feel a lot less overwhelming. Now, on to the third part, that is visualization. Power BI comes with a huge library of visuals. You have got your classic bar charts, line graphs, pie charts, and maps. But there is also room for the creativity with the custom visuals. What's even better? These visuals are interactive. You can click on data points to drill down or filter your dashboards with just a few clicks, making the experience really dynamic. Finally, the Power BI makes it easy to share and collaborate. After building your report, you can publish it to Power BI service. That's the Microsoft's online platform. So from there, sharing is as simple as sending a link. This is especially helpful if you are working in a team or presenting to clients. We can access live interactive reports anytime and anywhere. Alright, now that we know what Power BI can do, so let's look at the three main parts of the Power BI. First, there is Power BI Desktop. This is where you will spend most of your time creating reports and the dashboards. It's a free app you can download to your computer and it's a packed with tools to connect, transform and visualize the data. Then we have the Power BI service, the cloud platform. Once your report is ready, you publish it here to make it accessible online. Think of it as a central hub for sharing where your reports are securely stored and easily accessible. And lastly, there is Power BI Mobile, the app that lets you access your reports from your phone or the tablet. So even if you are on the go, your insights are always with you. It's super handy for the quick check-ins or the presentations on the move. Now, let me show you a quick preview of Power BI Desktop so you can see what it looks like. Right here on the Power BI Desktop, we have different sections that you will be using. Data pane. On the right, you will see the data pane, which lists your all the data that you have that connected to the Power BI. All your data fields will show up here once imported. Then next is we have the visualization pane. This is where you pick the type of chart or the visual you want. Let's say you want to create a bar chart. Just drag and drop the fields here and you'll see your visuals come to life right on the canvas. Finally, the report canvas. This is the workplace where you build your dashboards by adding and arranging the visuals. You can customize the layouts, colors, and even add the interactive features. This makes it easy to create the dashboard that's both informative and visually appealing. So, there you have it, a quick introduction to Power BI and why it's such a powerful tool for the data analysis and visualization. It's great for beginners because it's so user friendly, but it also have advanced features that makes it a favorite for the data professionals everywhere. If you are excited to learn more about Power BI, be sure to subscribe, share this video with your friends and like the video. I'll be posting more in-depth tutorials covering everything from DAX formulas to advanced visuals, so you can take your Power BI to the next level. So thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments if there is a specific Power BI topic that you would like to see in the next video. So I'll see you in the next video.